Hi guys, welcome to Tewes Tries. Well, today we're going to try something off of Pinterest. And it comes from the Idea Room. We are going to do the DIY oatmeal milk bath recipe for Christmas. I am poor right now. I'm not joking. I think I am the most poor that I have ever been at Christmas time. So, yeah, I had to come up with some creative solutions for how to give gifts to my family and, make it seem like I'm not just being cheap, but that I'm being thoughtful. Anyway, I thought Pinterest could help me out with this. So I thought, oh my gosh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put together all these really nice bath products, and I'm going to make them myself because they are expensive as hell at Lush. So I decided I was going to do it myself. This is the first of multiple attempts at trying to create beautiful bath products for my family. I'll set my camera up in the kitchen and you can kind of just watch me do what I do. If it screws up, I will tell you. If it's awesome, I will also tell you that. I will try everything that I put together. So yeah, let's get to the kitchen. Here's what you're going to need. Some oats, some baking soda, a little bit of non-fat milk, dried. I decided to go with some eucalyptus fragrance. And the little brown one here, that is lavender. Trying to get a little fancy, adding some purple, some lilac coloring. And those are lavender flower buds. So that's everything I'm going to be using today. To start off, you're going to need half a cup of oats and throw them into your food processor or blender and just grind them up until they look like dust. The next ingredient, you're going to need 1 cup of the dehydrated or dry milk. You don't have to be real exact on the measurements for this. It's not baking, so yeah, if you go a little overboard, you go a little overboard. And the final ingredient for our base is going to be the baking soda, and you're going to need 1/4 cup of that. I only had 1 cup and a 1/2 cup measuring device, and I'm smart and I do math, so I know that 1/4 cup is 1/2 of a 1/2. So get yourself a fork and just start blending this stuff together until it resembles, something that's pretty and homogeneous. Okay, that looks pretty good. Alright, time to add the fragrance. I'm going to go with the eucalyptus first. I was really attempting to measure out how many drops I put in there. I don't know, I think it came out to like 10. And let's put some lavender in. You're going to need a little eyedropper to do this if it doesn't have the cap on it that just puts things out as a drop. So taking a little eyedropper. And I'm putting, 15 drops of that. Really, I lost count at some point and just kept putting stuff in. It seemed like a good idea. More is better, right? Alright, cool, that's in. Let's clean that up. And now I'm going to put some color in. I think I actually did measure this. It was like 6 or 7 drops of the coloring. And let's just mix it all up and see what happens. Yeah, I don't think the color is actually doing anything at all. Well, let's throw some of these lavender buds in. I'm sure that'll do something. Make it nice and pretty. There'll be some color in there. So I'm just dumping. I'm not measuring anything now. I'm just dumping stuff in. That's how I work. All right, and mix those in until they're, you know, evenly distributed. And yeah, that looks about good to me. Yeah, sure. Now I could be super cheap and just put it in a bag, but look, I got this fancy container. I'm gonna put it in there. Let's see if I can get it in without making a huge mess. And, well, let's see. Yeah, and I've already spilled. So, that's how this goes. Maybe if I was smart, I would have used a funnel of some kind. But, yeah, sure, I'm just gonna keep layering this stuff in here and getting more on my counter. Yeah, sure. Pack it down. Let's see if that works. That just gets more all over the place. Oh, I am bad at staying clean. Come on, girl, try. Just try. No, she's not trying. Oh, more, sure. Yeah. Let's get all of it in there. All of that work is going to make 2 of these little jars. Oh, well. All right, screw it on. And hey, doesn't look too bad. But you know what? I think we can make it prettier. So I went out and I got these little coffee scoopers and some pretty, I don't know, it's like burlap ribbon thing. And I'm going to try and make it look like I didn't make this in my kitchen. But now that I've put this on YouTube, I realize that all of my family's going to see I totes made this in my kitchen. Yeah. So I'm going to just tie this around, make it look a little fancy, a little rustic Christmas. And oh, yeah, let's put the little scooper right in there. Tie it up with a nice cute little bow and see what happens. Go the other way? No, that's not going to work, Michelle. Nope. No, you'll see in just a second, Michelle. It's not going to work. You're just going to keep going, aren't you? You're going to try and... oh, there you go. You figured it out. There you go. Tie the little ribbon. Make it look cute. Cut it off. Let's go try it in the bath. It actually worked. I'm not joking. So after I made it, I decided, you know what? I'm going to try this out. Yeah, I'm going to take a nice bath. I'm going to have myself a little cup of tea. And let's see what happens. I put that milk bath in, and it was glorious. It was wonderful and silky. Now, I will say this. The little lavender flowers that I put in there, those are kind of a pain in the butt on your plumbing. So maybe blend those up with the oatmeal next time. I don't know. They're pretty though anyway. And then the color actually never came out. So putting the purple color in actually didn't do anything. Oh well. I tried to do something fancy and it just didn't work out. Anyway. So I'm pretty like, yes, that actually worked. I didn't fail. What? I didn't fail. That's crazy. So more to come with this like DIY bath products thing that I'm going to be trying to do for Christmas. And if any of my family is watching, you now know what you're getting for Christmas. I'm sorry I'm cheap, but Mama's broke. All right. Thanks so much for watching. More DIY Pinterest stuff to come.